Howdy there, folks. It's the Collector 6819 coming at you with a 2013 blaster box from Walmart of Topps Prime football. We'll see what we get here. See if I can ever get into the box. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see what we get. I will try my best with these guys' names. I know most of them, but I'm going to try my best with them. We have Andy Dalton, Darren McFadden, Aaron Foster, Wes Welker, a rookie of Jonathan Franklin. I like the look of the rookies this year. So that's it's a primed rookie is what they call it. We have a Deion Jordan and a Matt Berkeley. I guess these are the regular rookies. Okay. Next pack. Rookies there. Going there. Got Matt Ryan, Bobby Wagner, a Reggie Wayne, AJ Green. We have a blue version, I guess, is a parallel of Ace Sanders. And we have a Manti Te'o and a Tyrann Mathieu rookie. Okay, our third pack here. We have a J.J. Watt, Mike Wallace, Victor Cruz, Ed Reed, a Cam Newton. This one says Prime Time on it. And we have Robert Woods and Andre Ellington, rookie. Rookies of both of those guys. Okay, we've got Darren Sproles, Adrian Peterson, Vincent Jackson, DeMarco Murray, Andrew Luck, Eric Fisher, Kings. So we've got Steve Johnson, Larry Fitzgerald, Ryan Tannehill, Patrick Peterson, Luke Kuechly, I believe is how you pronounce his last name. Bjorn Wagner, and a Vance McDonald. Okay. We have a Des Bryant. We have Kevin Johnson. We have a Jonathan Bauer, Kyle Rudolph, Tony Gates, Marcus Wheaton, and Tyler Wilson. Tracks left. Two tracks left. Trent Richardson has Rutland uniform. Sidney Rice, Eric Decker, Brendan Marshall. We have a Vic Bahel, Howard, Prime Performers, EJ Manuel, and Tyler Eifert. And our last pack. Kaepernick, Tom Brady, Von Miller, Ben Jarvis, Marina Ellis, Martha Ware, Zach Oates, and Marcus Latimer, rookies in this. So we got some very good rookies in this. A couple of coincidences. And we got the Franklin, so. But overall, it was a nice little look into what Prime looks like. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.